Hello students, welcome to the module on trigonometry. In this video, we'll discuss examples of the wrapping function. Recall that the wrapping function wraps intervals 0, theta, or theta 0 onto the unit circle and outputs a pair x, y. Let's see some examples of computing the wrapping function. Let's find the wrapping function at 2 pi over 3. So, since 2 pi over 3 is positive, we will wrap the interval 0, 2 pi over 3 around the unit circle counterclockwise. So let's draw our unit circle. Here's the x-axis, here's the y-axis, here's our unit circle. To do the wrapping function, we draw the tangent line at the point 1, 0. And this is our theta axis. And we wrap from theta equals 0 up to theta equals the value 2 pi over 3. We take this length and we wrap it around the circle to a point over here, xy. And now we see exactly how, it does not to scale in this picture, but we see exactly how we're going to get over here. So we note (2 pi over 3) is some multiple of 2 pi. And we can find out what that multiple is. In fact, solving this equation, we see that k is equal to 1/3. So 1/3 of the unit circle is 2 pi over 3. So if I divide the circle into 3 portions, here's the first portion, here's the second portion, here's the third portion, I will have found where 2 pi over 3 resides. So 2 pi over 3 is going to reside in this quadrant over here. And so now we'd like to figure out where exactly that point is, and we'll need to do some trigonometry in future videos to find that point. But we see over here that the wrapping function of 2 pi over 3 lies in the second quadrant. Let's see another example. Let's find the wrapping function of negative pi over 4. Now what we'll do is we will wrap, since pi over 4 with a negative sign is negative, we will wrap negative pi over 4, 0 on the theta axis around the unit circle clockwise. So again, we draw our unit circle. The x-axis, the y-axis. This, of course, is the point 1, 0. Then we draw our theta axis. And when theta is negative, you start at 0 on the theta axis. And you go down to this value negative pi over 4. And you wrap this interval around the unit circle. And we know what about pi over 4? We know, we can note here, that pi over 4 is a multiple of 2 pi. And what multiple of 2 pi is it? Solving this equation, we see that it's exactly 1/8. So if I partition the circle into eighths, what I will do is the following. The first quadrant will be partitioned in half. The second quadrant will be partitioned in half. The third quadrant will be partitioned in half. And the fourth quadrant will be partitioned in half. And each of these represents 1/8 of the circle. So if we're to wrap this interval from 0 to negative pi over 4 around the circle, we will come to this point right over here. That'll be my point, xy. In further videos, we will see explicitly how to find the coordinates of x and y in terms of square roots of 2, square roots of 3, and 1/2. Thank you very much.